The fabric is 3 yards,
Yeah.
so fold into 2
So I fold it into 2.
in this form.
Yeah.
Fold into 2
Then,
and then fold again. But that one will not be equal.
yes.
One part will be bigger by 2 inches.
This side that has two mounts.
Yes.
Is going to be
The front,
It's going to be
the front panel.
yes.
Okay.
So this space I'm leaving, we will use the space for the frontal key.
Yeah. Yeah.
Frontal key.
Yeah. So you fold in this form. The back panel will be 2 inches bigger.
Yeah.
The 2 inches left in the front panel is for the cape that will come in, as seen in the picture. So you make sure you arrange properly. You arrange properly.
So now we are done with the arrangement.
So the next now is to put your measurements.
Yes. We are making use of the measurements.
So the measurements you have to measure is the bust circumference, the shoulder, the gown length. And
So the shoulder is 18.
18 shoulder.
18 divided by 2.
Okay.
We have
9, yes. You start from here to mark 9.
This is the 9 we have.
Okay. 18 shoulder. You need a bigger chalk.
Yes.
18.
18.
You mark 9
You mark 9,
from here.
which is divided by 2.
Yes.
Even though the material is folded into 4 parts,
Yes.
but we will still divide the shoulder into 2.
Okay.
Yeah.
That pen on the shoulder. See this one.
That is 9. Now our sleeve is 14 because
14,
the
yeah.
hand is a 3/4 hand.
The bottom hand, yes.
Is 14.
14.
So we are going to put 12 minus 2.
Oh, yeah.
That's 2 inch will be for the cape.
For the cape mouth.
For the cape mouth.
Yeah.
Mouth of the hand.
Yeah.
We said 12. This is our 12. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the width of the hand, which is the round sleeve.
The round sleeve, yes.
We are giving her normal fitted hand is 18.
Yes.
But this one, due to is a free gown,
Every gown, yes.
we are going to add 2 inch.
Okay.
So 18 plus 2 is 9.
9.
Plus 2 making 11.
11, okay.
Yeah. Making 11.
Throw that chalk.
So this is our round sleeve.
Round sleeve, yeah.
Now, from the shoulder to the bust line
Yes.
is, we are giving her 12.
Yes.
From the shoulder to the bust line.
Yeah, shoulder to
is 12.
bust, 12.
Now her bust is 44.
44.
Her bust is 44.
44.
This is 40.
11.
This is 44,
Yes.
which is 11.
11.
But the nature of the style is a cow.
Cacao outfit, cow cloth.
Yes, it's a cow gown.
Gown.
So that cow shape from the normal bust point,
Yeah.
the normal measurements. From it, we are going to give additional 5 inch
Okay. To achieve that cow effect.
to achieve the cow
Effect.
shape
Yeah.
or effect.
Yeah.
This is our 5 inch now.
Yeah.
Plus 1.
Plus 1 for exclusion allowance.
Yes. Which is making 6.
6.
This is our cow point.
Yes.
Now, for the level of that, where the cow points
Yeah.
will end up is from shoulder to the bust point.
The
Sorry,
bust- shape.
shoulder to the
Shape.
hip
Hip.
level.
Okay.
The hip level,
Yeah.
which is 26.
26.
This is my hip level, 26. So from this hip level now, we measure her hip.
Yes. Her hip circumference.
Yes. Her hip is 48.
48, exactly.
Her hip is 48. This is 40, 44, 48 is 12.
12, yes.
Plus our normal cow
Effects.
allowance or effect,
Yeah, or 5 inches.
5 inches.
Yes.
We have added 1 inch initially,
Yeah. Yeah, 6.
making 6.
Yes.
Now from this level now,
yes,
our cow is going to curve with 5 inch.
okay,
5 inch curving.
okay.
That is after the
hip line.
hip line.
Okay.
This is 5 inch. Remember, whatever thing we are doing, we are adding 1 inch.
1 inch extra, yeah, for sewing.
For sewing.
Yes.
So plus 1 make it 6.
6.
So we have gotten our cow.
Okay.
From that point, we will take it down.
Down straight, yes. Maybe you can increase the cow a bit.
Okay.
Increase the cow a bit.
Which is you want it to be.
So that the cow will be pronounced.
Yes. So we have added the cow shape.
Yes.
All right. So the next thing for us to do is the
It's a cut from there. Then come all through from there. Then the sleeve. Now you separate one and record the back neck, the front neck.
You separate the both of them.
You now record for the back neck, for the front neck rather.
So for us to cut the neck,
Yes.
we need to separate the both of them.
Yeah.
Because the both of them have different neck.
Yes, both the width and the depth.
Back and the front.
In the front.
So the neck points now, we are using inch for the width.
For the width
of the neck.
3 inches.
This is 3 inch. Now the front one, from this 3 inch, we are taking it down.
Yes.
As we are going down, we'll be reducing it by
the
half inch.
Okay.
Reach down.
Okay.
Yeah. You use your free hand, knowing that is half inch reduction.
Reduction all through.
Reach down all through. So this cutting I'm making now is for us to create
that space.
the cape space.
The cape space, yeah.
So these spaces we have removed from the neck.
Yes.
We'll use it for the cape.
For the cape as
also.
well. Yeah.
So the back neck.
Yes.
We are using 3 by 1 inch.
Okay. 3 width by 1 inch deep.
Yes. 1 inch depth.
Depth, yeah.
So we are done with the cutting.
Yeah.
We are done with the body cutting. Now it's okay.
So that's to cut the cape now and the accessories. Yeah, normal short, normal, yeah.
This width now
Yeah.
is going to give us
The double,
hand cape,
yeah, yeah,
cape of the hand.
yeah.
So initially from the length of the hand we remove 2 inch. So this is where we will fix back our 2 inch from
Yes,
the cape.
yes.
Fold it.
Then this will be 2.5
Yes.
in cutting. So that when you sew half inch, it goes back to 2.
So now we are cutting the cape.
Yes, this, yeah.
Now remaining the frontal cape.
The frontal cape, yeah.
So we fold this into 2.
Into 2.
Then we now cut.
Yeah. The measurement, what's the measurement?
The width measurement is 2.5.
2.5.
The width measurement is 2.5.
Yes. Unfold.
2.5.
Unfold, yes.
So we now cut. Say it's 2.5.
Yes.
This is 2.5.
2.5.
Then we now open it
And slits.
then divide it
Yeah.
into 2. So this is the cape now.
The cape, yeah.
But if we are to use this, the length
It wouldn't be enough, so we'll join
It
it.
will not be enough.
Yes.
So we have to join it according to
The length of the gown.
length of the gown.
Yes.
Plus additional 3 inches.
3 inches, yeah.
Due to the popping of the neck,
The back.
the back neck.
Yes.
So we are going to add. The normal length of the gown is 60.
60.
So let's see how many inch increment we need for the cape.
That is
This is
47.
47.
47.
47.
So you need around 13.
Yeah, we need around 13.
13 plus 3. That's 16. So that is enough. That one now.
Yeah.
So just place and cut.
This is 16.
Yeah, so 16 is okay.
So we are putting the completion
A
of
complete, yeah.
cape.
Next thing now is sewing.
So
You first weave that scape because of the joining.